Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Coding and Music. Today we are going to move towards the coding part, and in coding part we are going to do the part 2 of our advanced features of MIT App Inventor. And the second thing is that a few shortcuts that we know but we still don't use. And the third is that I am going to tell you the average subscriber, average views of our last month. In short, the progress of our channel from of last month. So if you want to see, watch till end, like to my video, subscribe to my channel, set the bell notification on for more videos. So let's begin the video. So hey guys, so this mail had came from the YouTube saying the progress of our last month. So let's open it. So yes, this is the progress. 3 new subscriber. It's a average 3 new subscriber of last month, 202 total views of the last month, and 165 minutes watched of last month average. So this is all the progress, and I thank you for the views and the time, minutes, and the subscriber. So thank you. And so let's move towards the shortcut part. As you can see, the mail is only suggesting that technical coding and music, here is your last channel did month. So you can just make an estimation that it's a average only. So let's move towards the control shortcuts part. So the first is Control C for copy, Control V for paste, Control X for redo, Control Z for undo, Control S for save, Control D for microphone on, Control E for video on, Control R for reload, Control T for new tab in Chrome, Control H for history in Chrome, Control W for close the window in the Chrome, Control S for save, Control plus for increase the size, Control minus for decrease the size, Control P for print, Control O for open. And these were the shortcut keys which I know. There can be more shortcut keys which I also don't know. So now let's move towards the coding part, which is the main part. So let's move towards it. Before I start the coding part, I would like to tell you one thing, that please do subscribe to my channel and make 100 subscribers. So the thumbnail also will be same regarding road to 100 subscriber. So I will keep the thumbnail until my 100 subscriber are done. The same thumbnail will be posted. So if there is something events, then I will change, otherwise I won't change. The same thumbnail will be there, road to 100 subscribers. Okay, so now let's move towards the main part of our coding. So you can try those shortcut keys practically also. I am not giving any fake news. You can try that also practically. So for this part 2, we need to make a new project again. So go on, start new project, see project name part, say project name PART part 2, and say, oh, it cannot contain space here. So part 2. Okay, so it will get opened. It got opened. So we need to take canvas from the drawing and animation section. Click on the canvas section, drag and drop. So we need to change its properties. Say we'll make it center, its height to be fill parent. Okay, its height we need to change. Its height we need to in percentage, say 70%, because we don't want that whole screen should be covered. So 70%, and its width to be fill parent. Sorry, I got confused. Its width to be fill parent and its height to be 70%. Its width to be fill parent and its height to be 70%. So Before we move forward, I would like to tell you that we are going to make a game app. When we play it, the mole will move around. When it will hit to the screen, it will gain points. So this is our app which we are going to invent by MIT App Inventor. So this is the image that we are going to play the game with. I know it's a blur because it's not my image, so it's blur. So this is the image that we are going to use for making the game. So you need to save it. For that, right click, save as, desktop, MOLE, mole, save. So now we need to add one more component, that is image sprite, drag and drop. Here I'm going to tell you one thing, that why we need to take canvas. We need to take canvas so that the image sprite option comes. So when we just drag the image sprite, it will not come in this section, it will automatically go over there. So the image cannot come without the canvas, so we need the canvas. Okay, so now we need to add image over here. Click on image sprite, change its name to mole. Then click on picture, upload file, choose file, desktop, mole, just a second. Sorry, I took the another image. So click on picture, upload file, choose file, here it is, mole, click on OK. The image got it. Okay, so now we need to add few components. Go on user interface, label, drag and drop, button, drag and drop, then in the sensor section we need to add clock, so we need to add one more, that is sound, from the media section, drag and drop. We need to change the name of the button one to button more. Okay, to label one to label score. We change the name of these components because it will be difficult for you to remember which button is associated for which task. So it is very important to name it to the given task. So now we need to change some properties. So instead of click on button 1, instead of text for button 1 we will type over here recent, enter. Go to label 1, instead of text for label click over here score. Okay, so yes, we are done with the designing part. If you like to my video, subscribe to my channel, set the bell notification on. I'm not showing you over here the coding part because the video will be very long and it is a very long video. So if you like my video, subscribe to my channel, set the bell notification on. So bye bye, meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, stay home, stay safe.